Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Lenovo Ideapad 110 laptop. The exact model for this one is a Lenovo Ideapad 110-14IBR. The model name is an ADT6. And in this video I'm gonna take you on a step-by-step and show you guys why there is no RAM upgrade on this laptop. I get lots of questions, people asking, why don't you make a video showing how you can upgrade the RAM? In the task manager, it shows that I still have 1 out of 2, 2 out of 2 RAM DIMMs available. So, and just because of you guys keep asking, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you guys why you cannot add or remove the RAM in this laptop. Or I should call it a tablet with a big screen and keyboard. Alright, so we're going to cover that. So first thing first, we're going to power it up. So I'll keep this video really short. We're going to flip it upside down. I'll grab my screwdriver set. We're going to use a Phillips number 1, and we're going to use the opening tools for the opening tool, a guitar pick for the opening tool. I'll remove all the screws on the bottom cover. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. You guys shouldn't be opening this if you want to upgrade your RAM. I'm just doing it for you guys so you guys can see the process of opening and why there is no RAM DIMM. So maybe one day you guys will stop asking. So if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests just like this one, and answer your questions in the comment area. Alright, now that we remove all the screws, we slide out the DVD drive. There's a missing screw base broken in here, so we'll remove the 3 screws under the DVD drive. And now we're going to stick the opening tool between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and we're just gonna rotate. You're gonna hear those big click sounds right all the way to the back corner. Lift it up and slide it back, and there we have it. There's a simple tablet motherboard with heat spreader, not a fan, nothing in there, and there's no space for the RAM because the RAMs are usually this size and there's no RAM DIMM space in there or anywhere down here, and not even possible to put it on the other side of the board. So there is no place you can add or remove. If I remove the heat plate, there will be a RAM soldered on the board, like a RAM chip soldered like on the phone or on a tablet, and that's the reason. I hope this explains why you cannot add. Doesn't matter if your task manager says you have a RAM DIMM or not, physically you do not have it. Alright, so I'm going to put the cover back in, 45-degree angle inside the jack on the USB ports. Push down the rest, push down the back, put the 2 screws, or 3 of them I should say, under the DVD drive, and slide down the DVD drive or the caddy for the DVD drive, and put the rest of the screws right on the bottom cover. Again, I hope this video helped you guys to understand why you cannot upgrade or add or remove your RAM for your Lenovo Ideapad 110-14IBR model. And this should cover up today's video. I hope you guys liked it and helped you guys out. If you have any question or request, please leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottoms.